Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate free AI videos without any paid subscription or watermark. So let's jump right into it. First open replit.com. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now click on create account button in the top right corner and you can either continue with your Google account or with your email address. For this video, I'll choose to continue with Google account. And after signing up with Google, you'll see a dashboard like this. And it says create website, designs, slides, and animations, but it doesn't say the create video anywhere. What you need to do is simply type open canvas and send it. It will take a few seconds to open your canvas workspace, so please wait a bit. And here you go. Once your workspace opens, click on the generate button from the bottom menu bar, where you can create designs, generate images, videos, and graphics. So select video. Here you can select the video model, either VEO 3.1 or Cadence 2.0. You can also select the aspect ratio as well, video quality up to 4K, video duration from 4 seconds to 8 seconds, and whether you need audio or not. This tool only gives you the text to video option. So for the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into Replit AI. And finally click on submit button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. With this free tool, you can create up to 10 to 15 videos, each 4 to 8 seconds long. If you want to create longer video content once the credit runs out, simply sign up again with a different Google profile or email address and generate as many videos as you want. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. Our free AI video has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided, with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.